Kwanzaa is a cultural holiday celebrated by some people in the African diaspora from December 26th to January 1st. It emphasizes the importance of family, community, and cultural traditions, and each day of the holiday is associated with one of 7 principles. In this video, we will explore the meaning behind each of these principles and how they are celebrated during the Kwanzaa season. The first principle of Kwanzaa is umoja, which means unity. This principle emphasizes the importance of coming together as a community and working towards a common goal. During the Kwanzaa season, people often celebrate umoja by gathering with family and friends, sharing meals and stories, and participating in activities that promote togetherness and harmony. The second principle of Kwanzaa is kujichagulia, which means self-determination. This principle encourages people to take control of their own lives and make their own decisions. During Kwanzaa, people may celebrate kujichagulia by participating in educational and cultural events, learning about our heritage, and expressing their own unique identities. The third principle of Kwanzaa is ujima, which means collective work and responsibility. This principle emphasizes the importance of working together to build and support the community. During Kwanzaa, people may celebrate ujima by volunteering their time and resources to help others, participating in community service projects, and supporting local businesses. The fourth principle of Kwanzaa is ujamaa, which means cooperative economics. This principle promotes the idea of working together to create economic stability and prosperity for the community. During Kwanzaa, people may celebrate ujamaa by supporting local Black businesses and cooperatives, participating in economic development projects, and by sharing resources with others. The fifth principle of Kwanzaa is nia, which means purpose. This principle encourages people to think about their goals and aspirations and to work towards fulfilling their potential. During Kwanzaa, people may celebrate nia by setting personal and community goals, engaging in self-improvement activities, and pursuing their passions and interests. The sixth principle of Kwanzaa is kuumba, which means creativity. This principle encourages people to use their imagination and talents to make the world a better place. During Kwanzaa, people may celebrate kuumba by participating in artistic and cultural activities, creating works of art, and expressing themselves creatively. The seventh and final principle of Kwanzaa is imani, which means faith. This principle encourages people to believe in themselves, their community, and their culture. During Kwanzaa, people may celebrate imani by engaging in spiritual practices, participating in religious ceremonies, and expressing their faith through prayer and meditation. There are 7 principles of Kwanzaa: umoja, kujichagulia, ujima, ujamaa, nia, kuumba, and imani. Each of these principles represents important aspects of African American culture and serves as a guiding force for individuals and communities during the Kwanzaa season. Now join us as we celebrate the second night of Kwanzaa in this short candle lighting ceremony.
Marigani.
Kujichagulia.
Kujichagulia means self-determination. Kujichagulia's reflection is, when there is no enemy within the enemies, outside cannot hurt you. Harambe, 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 Harambe.
If you want to learn more about Kwanzaa or Black history, check out our workbooks and guides at cmarepress.com.